Hi there, here is just a quick overview of how to complete your literature study. You are going to break down the 26 chapters into 5 sections. You can choose to do a PowerPoint or you can do this on a piece of paper. So if you do it on a piece of paper, I recommend each section be one piece of paper. So if we did section 1, that's going to focus on chapters 1 through 5. If that is handwritten on a piece of paper, that would just be one paper. If you choose to do a PowerPoint, make each section one slide. So for my example, let's just focus. We're going to focus on section 1, which is chapters 1 through 5. You will draw an illustration or find a digital image that captures the gist of the section. We know that in section 1, that's where she is introduced to Winn Dixie. That's where we are really introduced to the different characters, and it gives a good synopsis of the setting. So in that picture, you might draw a picture of her meeting Winn Dixie in the supermarket, or something along those lines. You could find a digital image of a girl meeting a dog. Try to stay away from the digital images of the actual movie because that's just already done for you. People do use it, but it's more fun to find your own images. So if you draw a picture, it can be a picture just like this, Winn Dixie and Opal meeting in the supermarket, and that might be just what you want to draw. Then on that same page or on that same slide, you will write a synopsis of what occurred in chapters 1 through 5 in your own words. So just think about what happened in that section, the characters that you were introduced to, the problem that was maybe said, a description of the setting. If you want to use these sentence starters, that's great. In this section, we were introduced to, we learned more about this, and the section ended with us waiting to learn more about the following. So you don't have to draw a picture of each single thing that happened within the story. Just draw a picture or find digital images that represent the main gist of what occurred in the story. So just like I said, the example of Opal meeting Winn Dixie in the supermarket. That would be a big thing that occurred in section 1. That would be a perfectly acceptable image for section 1. I hope this makes more sense. Again, if you want to draw it, do it on 5 different sheets of paper. I think that will make it easier. So the picture is on the top and the synopsis on the bottom, or however that you would like to make it work. If you would rather do PowerPoint or Google Slide, you can use the note section, or you can just write right in the slide. I hope this makes more clear, and if you have any further questions, please let me know. Thanks so much.